Web designers, you said AI will not take your job, Abi. Now come, let me show you how this AI built a full website in just 5 minutes. You open your laptop and just search for Google AI Studio here. Once you are there, just click on this link, Google AI Studio. You have seen it, Abi. Several examples here. So if you come to this side, you'll see build, you'll see start, you'll see gallery, you'll see your apps, you'll see frequently asked questions. Now, what I need you to do is, if you go to this gallery, you'll be able to see different examples. For example, you see this guy, they built an app that they can use their hand to drag something and it pull it and it will just play something. All right, so you see a lot of apps that people are building, Abi. Now, you can build apps with this one, but what I want to show you is how you can build a full website with it. So what you do is you go to this place where it says start. All right, so once you come here, if you click on this, I am feeling lucky, it will give you several examples of what you can do. For example, here you can see it says create a guided medication app that lets people generate custom sessions with unique visuals and voiceover. But that is not what we want to do. Okay, you see, Abi. So what we are doing right now is we just say build a full website for an eatery called Takeaway Eatery, where customers can order food. Now, this prompt is not very detailed, but at least you got my point, right? So once you are here, just come here and click on build. Just click on it, and then you will see the magic is happening. You can see it's loading, and you can see here, Abi, allow customers to add items to a virtual shopping cart and proceed to a secure checkout process. This is essential for online ordering and a smooth customer experience. Now, all we need to do is just wait until all of this becomes a full website. All right. Now, as you can see here at this side, you can see it's already building the website. Metadata, JSON, index.html. All these things are the things that a web designer is supposed to build. All right, but this is everything now that AI is building for you. As you can see, it's even adding component chat box. So I think there's going to be a chat box on the website as well. It's adding menu, it's adding arrow, it's adding header, and it's even using AI, Gemini service, specials and all of that. Can you see? So what I would do is I'll just pause this video and then I'll come back and show you the website that this thing built. Guys, are you ready to see this website right now? Let's go. So this is the website, guys. So you can see it says allow this app to request a microphone. So I think the website is going to use something that has to do with microphone. Just click on allow and you can see the website is already live. Now what you can do is, if you click on this place, all right, you see full screen. Let's click on full screen and we can see how the website is going to look up on full screen. What is this? This looks like an aeroplane. I don't know where that aeroplane is saying, but it says gourmet dining redefined by AI. Wow! If you go scroll down, you see it's even add to cart button is even there. Let's click on add to cart, for example. Wow! Can you see it's added it to cart? Can you see you can even chat people here? Yeah, you can even chat here to and send your different orders. Can you see, guys? This is brilliant. And we're even having menu, we have virtual, we have daily specials and all of that. Now, if I go back to device here, I can change it to see how it's going to look on mobile. So let's see. Wow, this is even mobile responsive. This is brilliant, guys. This is so brilliant. Yay! Now, once you are ready to make this website live, just come here and click on deploy, and then you can select your own project and deploy it, and your website will come up live. You can even use custom domain so that it will be like takeawayeatery.com, and people will be able to visit it, order everything, and you'll see the orders and you'll be able to start using it. Now, if you want this website directly, just comment AI in the comment section below and I will send you the link for you to create your own app. Now tell me, can AI take web design jobs or not? If you like, don't follow me and learn more about AI. You better comment AI below so that I can send you the link to this website so that you can go and build your own now. Eh?